How to create Telegram direct message link. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application just like this. After opening the app, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to create the Telegram direct message link, you need to open one of the chats just like this. And after opening the chat, here you can find share button just right here beside the chat. Now select it. Now here you can find copy link right here. Now select it. Copy the link and you can see the link has been copied. Now simply paste the copied link to one of the person that you want to send the message link and send them, and they will connect onto this message using that link. And that's it. This is how you can create Telegram direct message link. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.